Hey guys, frequently I am getting this question that how long should I wait for applying PPF if my car is repainted or one or two panel like bumper or something is repainted. So guys, if you are getting it repainted from a very good workshop or body shop where the painting has been done in the paint booth and they have used heating system to dry up your paint, you can just wait for one day or couple of hours and apply PPF. But if your panel or any bumper or anything has been repainted in such a workshop where the heating systems were not available, then it's my personal suggestion that you should at least wait for 5 to 6 days in summer season and 10 to 15 days in winter season before applying a paint protection film on your repainted panel.